I'm Eliza with Ancestral Evolution, and today I'm going to teach you how to grow your very own broccoli sprouts in your kitchen. To get started, we'll need a couple of supplies. First, a glass jar. You're going to want a wide mouth jar with straight sides, either a pint or a quart size. You want to avoid jars that have this shoulder in them because that shoulder is going to collect water and you're going to end up with mold and bacteria issues, which you do not want. Next, you're going to need a screen and a ring to hold that screen on. I recommend getting a stainless steel version of these because they do not rust when they get wet. Next, you're going to need some broccoli seeds. I recommend getting organic ones. You can find these on Amazon. A bunch of different people sell them, or if you can find them locally, that's great too. And last but not least, you're going to need some filtered water. So we're going to start by putting 1 tablespoon of our broccoli seeds into our jar. I typically use 1 tablespoon for a pint jar or 2 tablespoons for a quart jar. Next, we're going to add our filtered water. And we're just going to let this soak overnight, or about 8 hours. There we go. We'll be back tomorrow. So here we are. We've had our broccoli seeds soaking in filtered water overnight. So we're just going to pour out the water. And set it in our drying rack at an angle. They also make racks specifically for sprouting, but I find that a regular drying rack works just fine. So we're going to rinse it with our filtered water twice a day until we have our sprouts where we want them. So we will be back tomorrow. So here we are. This is day 2. And you can see our broccoli seeds are just starting to get little sprouts on the ends of them. So we will be back in a couple days. See what they look like. Alright, so here we are 1 week later and our broccoli sprouts are all ready. As you can see, got some nice sprouts there. You can just go ahead and take them out and eat them. Yes, I do have a plate with a llama on it. My favorite way to eat broccoli sprouts is on salad or with some avocado with a nice feta dressing. I'll put a recipe for my favorite keto compliant feta dressing below, so definitely check that out. So here you go. Enjoy!